It's time to get officially unpacked. The Christmas gift is officially here as we look at the official first look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the S23 Plus. It's by far the biggest leak regarding the S23 leak saga, confirming everything. Yes, the first official promo coming via 91 Mobiles showing off the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the S23 Plus. You can see the designs in full glory. Right from the get-go, if you look at the bezels on both S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra, they're looking absolutely stunning. I don't know who said that bezels are getting thicker. I mean, they're looking incredible and as thin as they possibly can. And let's just appreciate this amazing color, which could be the pink gold color for the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus. You can also notice one important design detail which is now back, and that is actually the color coordinated camera rings. This is something that I absolutely love, and we didn't have this on last year's model. So this will be one of the ways to tell the difference between a Galaxy S22 Ultra and a Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just flip it over and look at those color coordinated rings. Now it's nice to see that Samsung is showing off the gaming capabilities of the Galaxy S23 Ultra thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 rocking the best GPU on any phone in the world right now, beating the iPhone 14 Pro Max very comfortably, and it's right up there with the Apple M1 chip. Now in the promo you can also notice we have the Galaxy Watch as well as the Galaxy Buds. So if you're planning on pre-ordering the Galaxy S23 series, then yeah, best believe you're gonna get some top level gifts. So there we go, the first official look at the Galaxy S23 series, and since we're getting the official leaks, it further confirms the chances of seeing the unpacked happening on February 1st, 2023. I'm super excited for this. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also in the news, we've got some really important info coming regarding the display brightness of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and well, on the base level it's going to support the same 1750 nits brightness as the S22 Ultra, but under the sun and when it's bright outside, you're gonna have a higher brightness level than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The source didn't reveal the peak brightness number, but hopefully it's going to be at least 2000 nits or more, leveling or even crossing the absolute brightest display we have, which is currently on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Samsung is the one that made the display for Apple, so I don't see why the S23 Ultra will have a less brighter screen than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Definitely have to top Apple at any cost. Guys, we're gonna get a lot more official leaks in the coming days, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any update. As always, let me know what you think about the design in the comment section below. Yes, it is largely unchanged, but it's still looking very incredible. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.